This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us now talk about other factors which affect the climate. Temperature and rainfall. Now, temperature and rainfall are the two most important factors which determine the climate at a place. Another factor which affects the climate at a place is the altitude. Altitude means height. Now, a place at a higher altitude will have cooler climate, and another place on plains, that means the flat ground, will have hotter climate as compared to the higher altitudes. So hotter climate. That is why hill stations always have a cool climate. Another factor which affects the climate is the location with respect to sea. Now, if a place is located near the sea, or whether it is placed or the place is far away from sea, will affect the climate of that place. Now, sea water heats up slowly and also cools down slowly. This has a moderating effect on the climate of the coastal areas. So, near the sea, they have a moderating effect, and hence the temperature in the coastal areas are neither very high, so the temperature is neither very high nor very cold. About the temperature, we had talked about when we talked about the position of the sun, earth and the distance from the sun. Let us try to compare the climates of two places in India which are very far apart from each other. Let us talk about Srinagar, which is in Jammu and Kashmir, and Thiruvananthapuram, which is in Kerala. Now, Srinagar is situated in the high altitude. It is a mountainous region in the northern part of India, whereas Thiruvananthapuram is situated on the plains and it is at the sea level in the southwest part of India. Srinagar, located very far away from the sea, whereas Thiruvananthapuram is located near the sea. So, Srinagar is quite far from the equator, whereas Thiruvananthapuram is comparatively nearer to the equator, which describes the temperature or the climate of Srinagar. The temperature around the year in Srinagar is neither very low nor very high, and also the rainfall is neither very low nor very high. The Srinagar has a moderately hot and wet climate. In general, we can say that Jammu and Kashmir has a moderately hot and wet climate. It is like a temperate climate. Now let us talk about the climate in Thiruvananthapuram. The temperature around the years are quite high here. Also, the rainfall is very high. Thus, Thiruvananthapuram has a very hot and wet climate. In general, we can say that Kerala state has a very hot and wet climate. So, it is like a tropical climate. So, we can see that climate is not same as weather. Climate is not same as weather because weather is a day-to-day condition means of the atmosphere at a place, whereas climate is the average weather condition. Or we can say average weather pattern over a long period of time.